Hello everyone in the world. Today we will learn animals' name and examples. Wild animals. Lion, asad. The lion is strong. Tiger, nimr. The tiger runs fast. Elephant, fil. The elephant is big. Giraffe, zarafa. The giraffe has a long neck. Monkey, qird. The monkey loves bananas. Bear, dub. The bear is sleeping. Fox, thalab. The fox is clever. Farm animals, احيوانات المزرعة. Cow, بقرة. The cow gives milk. Sheep, خروف. The sheep is white. Goat, معزة. The goat eats grass. Horse, حصان. The horse runs fast. Donkey, حمار. The donkey is carrying bags. Chicken, دجاجة. The chicken lays eggs. Duck, بطة. The duck is swimming. Pets, حيوانات أليفة. Dog, كلب. The dog is friendly. Cat, قطة. The cat is playing. Rabbit, أرنب. The rabbit is very cute. Parrot, ببغاء. The parrot can talk. Fish, سمكة. The fish lives in the water. Small animals, حيوانات صغيرة. Mouse, فأر. The mouse is tiny. Hedgehog, قنفذ. The hedgehog has sharp spines. Frog, ضفدع. The frog jumps high. Turtle, سلحفاة. The turtle walks slowly. Bee, نحلة. The bee makes honey. Short dialogue. Teacher, what is your favorite animal? Adam, my favorite animal is the lion. Teacher, why? Adam, because it is strong and brave. Teacher, great. And what about you, Sarah? Sarah, I like the rabbit. It is small and cute. This is a lion. This is a tiger. This is an elephant. This is a monkey. On the farm we have a cow. It gives milk. A sheep. It is white. A horse. It runs fast. At home we can have pets like a dog, a cat, a rabbit, and a parrot.
Hello, my name is Adam. I am a child, and I live in the countryside. In the countryside, there are many animals. I see a cow and a sheep on the farm. The cow gives us milk, and the sheep is white and soft. I also see a horse. The horse is strong and runs fast. Sometimes I see a donkey carrying bags. Near my house, there is a small dog and a cat. The dog is friendly and the cat likes to play. In the forest near the countryside, I can see a rabbit and a fox. The rabbit is small and cute, and the fox is clever. I love the countryside because it is calm and beautiful. I love the animals, and I take care of them every day.